Hello all, myself Shruti. I am back with one more informative video wherein I'll be explaining about the advantages of guava leaf, how guava leaf is beneficial on our health and how it can be consumed in our diet. Not in the form of medicine but in the form of a delicious recipe. So coming to the importance of guava leaf, we all know that since Ayurveda or since traditional medicine, guava leaves are used. It is also proved in a scientific way by doing experiments on rats or on human beings. So it helps in stopping diarrhea. So the main or importance of guava leaf is it is used to stop diarrhea. The decoction which is prepared from tea leaves, if a patient consumes, it helps him from coming out of diarrhea in very less time. It reduces cholesterol levels and hence helps in losing the weight. It controls diabetes very fast. So that is why the tea which is prepared from guava leaf is called as diabetic tea. It fights against cancer and also helps us helps in preventing us from cancer. It helps in increasing vision, helps in healing acne or pimples and also improves the skin texture. So here we have understood the medical importance of guava leaves. So it is also used as a nutraceutical or in the form of cosmetics, where it increases the growth of hair. Either applying it or consuming the guava leaves daily will increases the hair growth, also avoids graying or whitening of hair, brightens the skin, and also it improves our teeth health. If any tooth decay or the whiteness or brightness is reduced, then always chewing the tender guava leaves early morning for 1 or 2 minutes and give shine to the teeth. Though it is used as a nutraceutical or in the cosmetics, it is always good to take the benefits of any medicine from inside rather than applying it. See, guava leaves are present in different forms. The leaves of guava is more beneficial than fruit. We all will be eating guava fruit, but very less people, though we are patients, we are not consuming guava leaves. And it has a powerful antioxidant called lycopene and a flavonoid called quercetin. The tea which is prepared from guava leaf helps in fighting cancer. It lowers cholesterol very fast and also it acts in treating diabetes. There are leaf supplements which are available in market in the form of capsules and in the form of tea bags and also in the form of dry powder. But what I feel is consuming guava leaf in all these ways is a bit difficult, because preparing the dry powder is again we have to dry the leaves, powder it and store it for long time. Disadvantage is again when we dry it in sunlight, the most of the nutrients and the compounds we will lose than using the fresh leaves. And in the second image you can see that the juice is prepared, it is a form of slurry wherein since the leaf contains lots of polysaccharide, it forms a slimy kind of liquid wherein it will be difficult to consume it in any way. And in third image you can see that it is used in the form of tea, herbal tea, where either fresh leaves can be boiled in water and that extract can be taken and consumed in the form of tea, or dried leaves also can be soaked in water, boiled and consumed. This is also a bit difficult because our taste buds has adjusted to a taste of normal tea. So shifting from that tea to this herbal tea is a bit difficult. So today I will be giving a recipe which can be prepared from guava leaves, which is more easy to consume rather than all these methods. Before that, I will also explain what are the research outcomes which are already proved from these guava leaves. It is a good anti-diabetic agent. it is tested on rats that after eating rice continuously, and after eating, if we take guava leaf tea, it reduces the diabetes. And then it acts as an anti-cancer agent wherein size of the tumor is decreased by consuming guava extract for long time. And it acts as an antiviral. Dengue, which is caused by viral infection, wherein platelet count will be decreased. We all know that papaya leaf will be used in the form of extract given to dengue patient, wherein platelet count will be increased. Similar way, guava leaves also works. So we can use guava to increase the platelet count in case of dengue infected patients. It has good antibacterial activity against Staphylococcus aureus, Vibrio cholerae. So because of this, it can be used to treat pimples or acne which is caused due to Staphylococcus aureus, and also diarrhea. It is also used to treat cholera. It acts as a good cardiovascular agent wherein it balances the good cholesterol in our body. It is used for treating arthritis also, wherein the paste of guava leaf is applied on the joints or on the inflamed area or wounds to get rid of the pain very fast. So today I am going to tell how these guava leaves can be taken or consumed in the form of herbal supplement in our day-to-day diet. And this is a very common plant which is available in any garden. So you can pluck the tender leaves, how you have seen in the second image. The one thing to be noted is these leaves are very easily available and has numerous health benefits. Wash the tender leaves nicely to get rid of any contaminants. Other ingredients which should be taken are ginger, chili, grated coconut, jeera, garlic. See, this guava leaves can prevent carbohydrates which are present in the body from becoming sugar. So it is always good to have it along with the rice, as you know that rice contains lots of carbohydrates or in the form of starch. So all these ingredients should be sorted nicely in oil until the raw smell of guava leaves goes. See, once again you can have a look on what and all ingredients should be taken along with the guava leaves. Ginger, chili, coconut, jeera and onion. All these should be sorted in oil nicely. Once it cools down, it should be grinded in a mixer. Then to the paste, have to add buttermilk. It should be a thin buttermilk rather than thick curd. So once you add salt and buttermilk, you will get a thin rasam kind of thing which can be seasoned with jeera, mustard, curry leaves and can be consumed along with the rice. It is also called as tambuli. It acts as a super combination with rice. So please all of you do it yourself and have a must recipe at least once in a week in your diet. Why you have to consume it once in a week is because it has got high fiber content, appetite to your body, and also reduces consumption of other food. It detoxifies our body as it contains many antioxidants. Since along with guava leaves we are also consuming ginger, garlic and all those things, so it also boosts up immunity level, and these guava leaves also contain citric acid or vitamin C which boosts our immunity levels. So it overall improves our digestive system since we also have added buttermilk to that. Rather than applying on hair, if you consume like this once in a while, it will improve your hair growth. So hope this piece of information was very much beneficial for you. All of you please do it yourself. It has so much of health benefits, and rather than having it in the form of medicine, have it as a delicious recipe and always having it along with the rice is very tasty as well as beneficial to your body. All of you prepare it and comment me your opinion regarding this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment my channel. Thank you all.